Go left. Okay, son, go left, okay? Go left. Okay. Okay, push a bit more. Okay. It's right there. Okay. Okay, Sandro, you ready? Okay, when you go down, push with your left ski to go right, okay? Sorry. On the way up they go. They're going up. Right, Nevada? There's Sandro with Mommy. They're coming off the big hill. Nevada, no, ain't that? Let's see how he does. He's doing pretty good. He's already got the parallel motion pretty much down. Turning side to side. There he goes. Bunny rabbit ears and all. Hey, Sandro. So you want your jacket on? No, you good? You are? Yeah? All right. Alright. On the gondola? On the gondola!
It's really silly.
We'll have the gondola go skiing down, right?
Yep. I'll take a video of the people.
Yes, can do it there. Do a little night skiing now that we switched off of Daddy.
Yep. Oh, I see it. Look over there. See the stuff in the tree?
Yeah. It's a shame that there's not enough snow here, but it's good that at least they blew some, right? They make snow here. Alright, we're going up to the top.
That's a long way.
That's Sandro, the dark over there. With the glow in the dark band. Get out of there, Sandro. Come up this way. Go up top. There you go. Good. Good negotiating. Good negotiating. Let's try and get out of the woods though. Alright, we'll just stop over here, okay? Alright, stop at top over here, okay?
Oh, that way.
There they are. You see the light on the side? That's Sandro.
We got it. It's hot. It's dark.
It's dark. Yeah. They're skiing together. There's Daddy. There's Sandro. Oh no!
First fall of the whole run. All right, Sandro. Good skiing.
It's skiing now, Daddy.
Okay, Sandro. You ready? Heads up. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, Sandro, come on. This is his first fall.
It's cool.
Good job. High five, bro. High five. All right.